Hello, hello. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Happy Monday. Oh my God, December the 1st. Holy. 2025 is almost done. Oh my God, I hope your year was amazing and you had lots of blessings, di ba? Happy Monday, beautiful people. It's December the 1st. It's 12:13 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You had a fantastic weekend and you're starting your week, new week. You're starting your Monday in a good mood and a good spirit. Yeah. So anyhow, it's Tita here. Maraming salamat sa aking mga followers. Shout out talaga aking mga followers diyan, mapabago man o mapaluma. Maraming salamat for your support. Appreciate you guys engaging into my post, sharing my post. So thank you. Maraming salamat. So touch base with you again. Super dami ng aking mga conversation na naman. Every day anyway, every single day we try to, like, you know, most of you guys know na yung mga followers ko, most of you know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko po dito sa social media platforms, and Facebook is my biggest platforms. Biggest platform. So yeah, so anyhow, so yes, every single day marami ako nakakausap na tao, marami ako nakakasalamuha, different types of people asking on our business, on how our business works, and of course yan. So very interesting, and nag-i-enjoy ako, and I love talking to people, and yeah, so talagang iba-iba yung mentalidad ng tao, iba-iba yung perspective natin. So talagang very exciting, very interesting. So yeah, so our topic, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is ano ba yung things na na-leverage namin or na-take advantage namin from our amazing community. Kasi lagi namin sinasabi na dito po sa negosyo na ito, hindi ka mag-iisa. Because we are here to guide you, aside from the fact na andyan yung training site where you can access anytime you want. It's like, you know, it's open for you 24/7. So wala kang set na time dito. So you are your own boss. We are our own boss here. So walang although we have mentors and coaches, but mentors and coaches, thank you sa aking 1 million viewers diyan. Mentors and coaches are there to guide you. So which is good, because there are lots of online businesses out there na pabayaan ka na lang. Diba? Once na you're in, so it's up to you to figure out everything for yourself. Not with us. So we have, like, you know, again, aside from the training site, meron kaming mentor and coach na mag-guide sa inyo. So it's up to you on how you start, on how you are going to do your business, on how you manage your time, because naandyan, open yan lahat. So yeah, things na ma-leverage natin is hindi lang yung mentor and coach. There are lots of resources. Yan ang sasabihin ko. Loida, hi ate. Yes, hi. Happy December, Neng. Yes, another year. So congratulations sa milestone mo this year. And yeah, so yes, go lang talaga tayo. And because we know sa atin na nandito na sa community, we know how amazing our business is. So it's worth sharing. So don't be shy to share. It doesn't matter kung anong sasabihin ng ibang tao. Other people don't, like, you know, whatever they say, it doesn't matter. it's what we want and what we want to share to people, because we know ourselves na talagang dapat i-share natin ang ating business, because there's no other businesses out there just that likes ours. Talagang super. So anyhow, so there are tons of things that we can leverage. It's not only the mentorship, the training side. It's not only that. There are tons of updates that you can take advantage. You don't even have to enroll on something like online courses or thanks Ate, I'm happy on your success too. Thank you. Yes, me too. Thank you. There are tons of resources that you can take advantage, and super excited ako because I have break muna tayo. We have this new program that because dito sa community namin is like, there are lots of people that are willing to donate their time like freely to Thank you, Neng. Yes, I'm proud of you too. Thank you. Yeah, so there are lots of people that are willing to donate their time and share their knowledge, their expertise, their experiences, kung ano yung success nila. Super dami. Kanina nag-explore ako sa aming community, sa aming private community, and yes, another sisters, and they hit another milestone where they are going to have their monthly income. They're going to start collecting their monthly income, that's bonus. Walang magbibigay sa inyo, walang kahit ano pa siguro ang ano natin, kung ano pa ang tawag nun, ano pa ang work mo, siguro walang magbibigay sa it's at least $6,000 Canadian dollars na monthly bonus lang yan, bonus lang yan. And that is lifetime. Yes, ganun kaganda po ang aming business. Ganun kaganda ang aming platform. So yeah, kanina I saw it in our private community. So talagang super happy, super inspiring ang mga success ng ibang tao. And guess what? Hindi nila sinusolo yung success nila. We can leverage the success of other people. And they're more than willing to share kung ano yung mga strategy nila, aside from the fact na meron kaming mastermind, millionaires mastermind every Wednesday as well. So naandyan yan, may mga daily drop-in pa yan. So talagang super, because once you're here, like, you're blessed to be in this community, because again, I always say this, like maybe every time na mag-live ako, that here we are not only growing our finances, we are growing ourselves, the mindset, the personal development. Talagang super. Kung ano man yung hindi lang yung bang tipo na hindi lang isang area ng life mo ang talagang Richard, thank you for watching. Hindi lang isang area ng life mo ang mai-improve dito, kung hindi marami. So yun nga yung sinasabi nila, once na you are you are happy on what you're doing, and you are growing not only in one area of your life, that means you are in your purpose. See? Kasi talagang super, for me alone, talagang ang daming nabago sa buhay ko. Super grateful ako na that kahit na ako'y takot, kahit na wala akong experience, ay ginawa ko pa rin. Because yes, a lot of many areas in my life ay talagang nabago because dahil po sa negosyo na ito. So yeah, dami. So yeah, and hindi lang naman talagang kumbaga, kung naandun kayo sa aming private group, But of course, you can only go to our private group kung talagang once na nagpay kayo ng 149 yan, masilip nyo yan. But that is where you find the stories, the struggles of people, the success of people. Because guys, ang success ay hindi overnight yan. Kung nakikita niyo yung mga successful people dito na nagkukolekta na ng mga na naging millionaire, na nagkukolekta na ng mga monthly bonuses, yes, nakikita natin ang success nila. But of course, that success doesn't come overnight. May mga struggles yan. Right? But it's worth it. Because see, yung nakita ko kanina na naka-achieve ng lifetime bonus again, they are just, sisters sila. They are just in the business for 4 years. So, tanungin mo sarili mo, ilang taon ka na nagtatrabaho sa company mo? Binibigyan ka ba ng bonus na $5,000, $6,000 Canadian dollars every single month? Probably not. Diba? Pero iba-iba ang success namin dito. I'm not saying it's easy. No, it's not. And again, it's not an overnight success. Pero kung matyaga ka, if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to sacrifice for yourself and for your family, yes na andyan. And again, you can leverage a lot of things from successful people dito sa aming community. And my program kami na, thank you sa aking 2 million viewers diyan. Maraming salamat. Yeah. So, again, my program kami on, there are programs that we can leverage. So many things. And it's up to us kung ano yung gagawin, kung ano yung gusto namin na i-take. Some of them has minimal fee. Some of them are, but mostly are talagang free. Talagang free. Yeah. So, because again, we work online. Nagbabago yan every single day, every single minute. Diba? So, we are updated. So, hindi na namin kailangan na mag-enroll pa ng ibang online courses. Because there are lots of people who will volunteer, who will donate their time to share their experience, their expertise, like everything na andyan. So nasa sa amin talaga yun, nasa sa atin talaga yun on how are we going to manage our time. Pero kung talagang ang mo is lagi ka na lang excuses mo, I'm busy, when are you gonna have time? You have to make time. Because if you don't make time, 20 years ka na diyan sa work mo, busy ka pa rin. Pero wala kang asenso, di ba? Yeah? Di bali na mag-sacrifice ka dito. Di bali na mag-sacrifice ako dito ng ilang taon. That's what I'm that's what I'm always thinking. Di bali na mag-sacrifice ako dito ng 5, 10 years, 15 years, I don't care. At the end of the day, ayahay naman ang buhay ko after that. Di ba? At hindi lang ako ang makikinabang kung hindi pati family ko. O di ba? O, sinong company na magbibigay sa iyo ng ganun? Wala. Diba? So, kung ano yung sacrifice natin dito, yung pagpupuyat mo, yung talagang mga disappointment mo, ma-overcome mo yan. Pagtiyagaan mo dahil para sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. Kung nagtiyaga ka na magtrabaho to go above and beyond for other people, why can't you do it for yourself? Diba? So, nasa mindset natin yun. And again, mindset training, free yan dito sa aming community. Marami kang ma-leverage na ganong klaseng, every single day meron yan. So yeah, so marami, super dami. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Hindi ko na isa-isahin but kasi hindi tayo matatapos. Hindi tayo matatapos. But anyhow, thank you Nay for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. And I hope it makes sense. But anyhow, if you would like more information doon sa manonood ng replay, if you would like more information about my business, nasa aking website, nasa aking business page po ang aking website. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address at ang aming back office na po. Good morning. Ayan. May mga pop-up na naman ako. Perlita, thank you for watching but hindi na ako magtatagal po. Yeah, so again, if you would like more information about our business, naandyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address at ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala. Joseph, thank you. Thank you, Joseph Irene. Thank you for watching. At ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. And then after na ma-watch nyo ang webinar, feel free to message me. I will be more than happy to walk you through kung ano man yung mga question nyo, answer questions nyo, so long as napanood nyo na ang webinar para may idea kayo kung ano yung itatanong nyo sa akin. But anyhow, thank you again guys. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your Monday and your week. I'm sure I'm gonna be touching base with you again. And again, appreciate each and every one of you. Maraming salamat. So enjoy the rest of your Monday. Enjoy the rest of your week. And God bless everybody. Ingat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you.